Right guys, it's been a while, but we are making another video on Hcmc. It's going to be a relatively short one, but there are two things that I want to keep you guys informed about. And of course, Hcmc videos are something that we haven't forgot about on the channel. We are going to continue to keep making them, but of course they are going to be a bit more infrequent than what they previously were, just because we have a bit less news to talk about as time does go on. But when we do have a bit of information that has been compiling over the past few days, I definitely will put that all into one video for you, and that is clearly what we are seeing here. So all of that is coming up in the next 5 or so minutes. Make sure to smash the like button, make sure to smash the subscribe button. As always, remember, I am not a financial advisor. Now, another thing that I want to say, I have a bit of a illness right now, so if the content sounds different, please do bear with me. But yeah, we are going to dive into this one, and we are going to look at Hcmc. So we're going to start off actually looking at the most important thing in my opinion. This is coming from Fintel, and it is coming from earlier this month, I believe. It is looking at the institutional owners of Hcmc. Come up here to file date, we're going to go to the most recent, and you'll see back on the 12th, we actually had a new fund buy 50k shares. Now, key points to take away from this initially, 50k shares for Hcmc is basically nothing, it's not a lot at all. However, it does still have a bullish underpinning, but I'll get to that in just a second. So, initially, yeah, I know this doesn't look too good for a number, 50k. We have other institutions holding significantly more, but we need to look at this from a fact-based perspective. Hcmc is a penny, so, you know, it's worth a quarter of a penny, or rather a fraction of a penny, I should say. And with it being so cheap, you know, institutions don't normally get into a stock like this just because usually it has quite a lot of risk, it's usually not a very good company, and of course because of that it's not really a good decision for an investment fund. But come out to Hcmc, look who's holding that, and look at how many are holding that. We have 12 institutions holding Hcmc, and bear in mind guys, that is a lot for a stock like this. Usually they have 0, like you said, and all 12 of these are long, none of these are short, and none of these are going either way, being short and long. So that is a very, very good sign. There's a lot of money in Hcmc as well. It's about 250k USD. So you can see a lot of money has been invested into this, and again, I think this is a really good sign. We're going to look specifically at the company that invested in Hcmc most recently, and this is a company called Lennox Wealth Advisors LLC, and we can see scrolling down a bit further, they actually have a portfolio value of near enough $1 billion. We've got 777,319k. So they've got a lot of money. They have a lot of open positions. So you can see there that they have 710 open positions, which is a good sign. You know, they have a lot of money in a lot of places, which is usually something that you would expect from an investment fund anyway, or something of the sort. And again, this is not uncommon, and it is something that we are seeing from a big fund here as well. So the fact that this company has taken an interest in Hcmc is overwhelmingly bullish, simply due to the fact that they are here. You know, they haven't gone in with the largest amount of share. I completely understand that. However, I think it is still a good sign, because like I said, usually a company like this gets no investment from institutions, so to see it getting any is a very nice thing in my opinion. Now come down here, you'll have a look at the vitaminstore.com. This is a subsidiary of Hcmc, or at least it's something that they own, and we'll see one big update here is that they own they accept payment in cryptocurrency. So let's have a look. We'll just highlight it right here. We'll see Hcmc cryptocurrency. So basically, the vitamin store now accepts many popular cryptos as a form of payment, with more being accepted soon. Now this is a good sign for a start, simply due to the fact that, yeah, crypto is becoming more widely used, more people can pay for things in crypto, and that is going to be a good sign. I think it is going to help Hcmc long term. It shows that they are moving with the times. I think that is good for the investors. It shows as well, in my opinion, that the team behind this company isn't, you know, they are not forgetting about how to advance the company. They're looking at new ways to advance the company, make it better as time goes on. I think this is one of those ways. But I think a sort of effect that this will have subsequently, perhaps an undesired effect, but it is a good one, is the fact that when it comes to cryptocurrency, people are very, very, very highly interested in this in the market as a whole. And again, take it as a good thing or a bad thing, that's up to you. But you guys will know that crypto, once people hear about crypto, companies take a payment in crypto, it oftentimes does work as quite a bullish catalyst for a lot of stocks. Now, whether that is going to happen with Hcmc is going to be unclear. You know, we are seeing the stock bottom out now at the 0.0005 range. So are we going to see this one move because of this? I'm not too sure. I would probably guess no, but I think it is a good sign that when people are doing their DD in the future, they're going to look at this one, they're going to think, oh, this is a step that the company's taken to advance, and also they're going to see this as a bullish sign because, again, crypto is something that people are looking at positively in the market in the past few months, and I think that is potentially going to influence people's minds a little bit when it comes to HCMC in a positive way, seeing this as a very, very good thing. So, we're seeing good things when it comes to news for HCMC. I know it's not the biggest news update, but it is something worth mentioning, I do believe. Volume for today is higher than what we have seen recently. It's at 1.25 billion, which isn't too bad. Bear in mind, this is according to Yahoo Finance. And again, are we going to see a bit of a push up in HCMC now? I don't know. One thing that I can see from the chart is that we are back up from 0.0005 actually, coming up to 0.0006 now. So we have made a gain since last time's video, which is a good sign, but ultimately we are still down from those highs. But I think most people now with Hcmc do understand that this one is going to be more of a long-term hold. I think most people are comfortable with that. One thing that I'm just trying to highlight in this video is that, yeah, the price action isn't moving, but we are seeing behind the scenes more and more bullish things taking place. So it definitely is worth mentioning as it does come out. So thank you for watching the video, guys. I'll see you all again very soon. Goodbye. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.